Characteristics of experimental research. The hypothesis is at the core of experimental research design. Researchers propose a tentative answer after defining the problem and then sets the hypothesis to either confirm or disregard it. Here are few characteristics that we are going to deeply understand and dwell in. Dependent variable are manipulated or treated, while independent variable are exerted on dependent variables. As an experimental treatment, extraneous variable are variables generated from other factors that can affect the experiment and contribute towards the change. Researchers have to here exercise control to reduce the influence of these variables by randomization, making homogeneous group and applying statistical analysis techniques. Researchers deliberately operate independent variable on the subject of the experiment. So this is known as manipulation. Once a variable is manipulated, researcher here observe the effect an independent variable has on the dependent variable. This is a key for interpreting result. A researcher may want multiple comparison between different groups with equivalent subject. They may replicate the process by conducting sub-experiments within the framework of the experimental design. Experimental research is equally effective in non-laboratory settings as it in labs. It helps in predicting events in an experimental setting. It generalizes variable relationships so that they can be implemented outside an experiment and applied to a wider interest group.